The latest model that I've made is this Volvo F7 tipper. It would be from the early 1980s, and it's a tipper, but it's also got an Atlas crane with a clamshell bucket, fully operational, as all of my models are. And the tipper works, and the outriggers go down as well to stabilise the vehicle while it's in use, and that's the way it works. The crane swings out, pick up whatever it's picking up and dump it back into the trailer. So it's made from 3 different types of wood. The tipper body and the cab are sapele. The chassis and the tyres are maple, and the crane and the rims and the front bumper, they're maple. I'll just spin her around for you to get a look, nice and slowly. And that's the Volvo F7 tipper